Yo guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to draw Pikachu step by step. But first, look my nice eraser. Yeah, it's a cat. By the way, we start drawing a simple circle. Don't have to be a perfect one, just a simple one. And before that we draw this line and another more. That lines help us to add the detail like the nose, eyes in a correct place. Now this line almost in the half is to give us the distance about the Pikachu body, and now we continue the line, and now it's time to draw the body of Pikachu. Okay, now it's time to draw the ears, and to draw the ears you only have to think in a rabbit, not like a rabbit in a rabbit. Okay, and after that let me use the eraser to clean some details. Now I'm gonna use the pencil to add the correct shape of the face, the Pikachu face. Now it's almost perfect. That line is for the eyes. And 9 tips for drawing Pikachu eyes is the distance between the eyes is 2 eyes. Okay, now we only have to draw in circles for the Pikachu eyes and add some details like nose. The mouth is like a tree, and that circle, I don't know how to say that in English, and add more details. For the leg, simple circles, and the fingers of foot. For the arms we draw this shape, and now we only have to add the fingers, 5 fingers in both arms. And for the tail you only have to draw in zigzag. It's so easy. And now we almost have Pikachu. We only use a little ink to add the nice details, and that's all. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and see you next time. Bye bye.